good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are. I hope you're well. It is now where are we now? We are halfway through, that's it, it's the third week of lockdown here in the UK. Lee and I are both well and both alive, which is good, and my family and his family are both well and alive. Lee's family, his mum and dad actually retired to Dominica in the Caribbean. Beautiful island, absolutely lovely, but they have got the virus hitting there now. So they are being careful. They're not in lockdown yet, I don't think, but they're advised not to go out as much, very much essentials only, you know, the kind of thing. I hope you're well where you are, and that whether you've been locked down for weeks or months or you're not quite yet there, but I hope you're coping well and getting on with hobbies and catching up with all the other things that should be done, spring cleaning, etc. I've been painting a lot, and in the newsletter proper there will be information and pictures of what I'm doing and new designs and so on. And I wanted to talk to you today about the newsletter. Running along the bottom of the screen here, we've got my newsletter sign up. Most of the people watching will be signed up to the newsletter anyway, because this is the way that I do my newsletter now. It's nicer just to get out and chat to everyone. But if you are not a newsletter person, I hope that you will take the opportunity to sign up, see more about my lanterns and where I'm going to be when we all get let out, and what goes on behind the scenes. And I need some advice, both from new people signing up and from people who've already been getting the newsletter for a bit. I have been reading, as you know, and my business branding book suggested that for newsletter sign-ups I should add a little something. At the moment, people who sign up get a 10% discount on their first purchase. And don't forget that, those of you who've been signed up for a bit and have forgotten to use your code. So you get your discount and you get regular emails telling you A, we chat like this, and B, you get the details of what's new, pictures and so on like this, and that kind of thing. I want to add something that would add a bit more value to what you get, and I'm not quite sure what to do. I had wondered about an ebook perhaps, so you get some interesting information and maybe some useful stuff to use yourselves. Obviously I, and hopefully all of you, are very into colour, so I had wondered about perhaps an ebook on colour psychology, colour history, because I do a lot of research about that. Maybe something like using colour in home decoration or colour in the garden. Or you might want something quite different to that. Maybe you'd be interested in glass painting tips and how to do this, how to do that. I would be most grateful if you could let me know, because this is the time for me to actually write something up and get something going while I can and add it. And then everyone else who's already signed up before will get a copy anyway. So perhaps if you could put a note in the comments or drop me an email, those on the newsletter, I'd be really interested to hear. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel anyway. I'm going to be doing more of these, and also I've got a lot of films already done that show me actually painting the lanterns and putting them together, so they'll be coming up at some point soon. So good luck with your lockdown, or whatever you're in at the moment, but very best of health to you and your families, and I will hope to see you again very soon, and goodbye for now.